I choose gIDE Institute because it represents excellence in dental education, and thanks to all the class-world faculty members like Sasha Jovanovic, of course, and then all the others like Simeon Buzer, for example, they helped me to take my skills to the next level. And another important thing is about all the networks that is behind all this work, and of course the online library, for example, that helps me in my daily practice when I have something to see, for example, or to study more. And the good thing is that is like a big word that can always be with me in my daily practice. And of course, I will remember that experience forever, and I know that there are gonna be, of course, those faculties and those mentors that can be there for me if I have any doubts or suggestions for my career.
I think that this program is a special program, first of all, because the presence of a legend of the implantology and the legend and the father of guided bone regeneration, and Sasha has the ability to combine the knowledge, the background, the experience, the follow-up, and the humanity. I haven't never met a person like Sasha that is so available, and there is also a fantastic team that support him, and then everybody bring tradition but also innovation in this field, so you can heard a lot of things, see a lot of things, a lot of light surgery, but you can also practice with very interesting hands-on, and I see that the best situation is when you get knowledge, you see how to do, and especially you are in the situation you can do by yourself what you have learned. This course is one of the best, I think, in the world.
First, I chose gIDE because of the world-famous faculty. Names Sasha Jovanovic came up, and then I just Googled it a little bit, and I saw that it's a very famous global institute based in California. Then the networking was great, very like-minded people, very positive ones to exchange ideas. And then this individual course that's going on, you can ask the mentors, you can ask the faculty all the questions, and they're very accessible. Also, there are WhatsApp groups, online platform, you can exchange cases, opinions, and all of the great things going on. Another great thing is a great curriculum. You have live surgeries, lectures, hands-ons, and in the end you get a world-renowned certificate, and you can put this title in front of your name.
One of the main reasons I chose Global Institute for Dental Education, the gIDE Master Clinician program, was because of its world-known, renowned faculty. You can learn directly from the legends like Dr. Sasha Jovanovic, Massimo Simeon, and Daniel Buzer, and many other experts in the field. The program, I would say, it's very personalized, so the faculty will stay with you even after the program, reviewing your cases, giving your tips and tricks, and feedback. I would say there are no shortcuts to the program, because you learn here the most research, safest, and highest quality ways to treat patients. It's also a bit of competitive with exams, presentation, and case reviews throughout the program. I had a chance to be selected as a Best Master Clinician program in 2024 group, and also that recognition from such a prestigious institution meant a lot to me, to my patient, and to my country. So for me, gIDE was not just an education, but it was a transformation.